Yes, it is official. Donald Trump is going to be the next president and is also the first pro-crypto president. But in this video, we're going to look at altcoins that you should be buying now because this is the beginning of this major bullish cycle. Yes, guys, this is going to be a super cycle and used to extremely early because Bitcoin just reached a new all-time high. And this is going to mean that all of these altcoins are going to see a major push towards the upside. Yes, if we go over to the daily bubbles, we can see that all of these coins are already up double digits. And yes, guys, this is only the beginning because some coins are still at a major discount, and I'm going to show you exactly which coin you should be buying. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you a meme coin under $1 million market cap that is going to get an easy 10x. Yes, you have the opportunity to get in extremely early before this major pump towards the upside. And guys, you don't want to miss this trade because this is really going to blow up and you have the chance to be extremely early. So if you want to find out more which altcoin you should be buying and what is going to happen with the price movement of Bitcoin in the immediate short term, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And yes, guys, if you always want to stay up to date, make sure to be in my free Telegram group because we've been reckoning some major profits and I'm also sharing all of my updates ASAP. So if you always want to stay up to date, this is the place to be. And we're first of all going to look at the results from the elections. And yes, we can see that Donald Trump wins the US presidential election, guys. And yes, this is extremely bullish for the overall crypto market. And yes, do you know what also is extremely bullish? Yes, we can see that Bitcoin is already at all-time highs without retail participation. This means that you're still on the sidelines and you need to change that by going down in the video description below and signing up to BloFin and buy Bitcoin exactly now, before it's too late, before all of these retail investors, all of the small weak hands that got shaken out of the market is going to re-enter. And yes, guys, this is going to drive the price movement of Bitcoin, and not only Bitcoin, specifically the altcoins towards the moon. So yes, guys, this is going to be extremely bullish, but we could expect some volatility in the immediate short term because tomorrow we're going to get the Fed interest rate decision, the FOMC meeting. So yes, this is going to be the last volatile move in the overall markets. But yes, I do expect that this is already priced in because we could expect a 25 basis point rate cut. And yes, guys, this is once again going to be bullish for the overall crypto market. But even if we don't see a rate cut, guys, this is just going to be short-term volatility, exactly as I told you on the weekly chart for Bitcoin, that this is just going to be major noise in this major manipulation zone. And if you bought anywhere in this major accumulation zone in the previous 7 months, you're in profit. And yes, guys, all of these altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin. And this means, guys, yes, all of these altcoins are lagging behind because they're not even at their previous highs. And we're going to look at all of these coins. But guys, if you want to copy all of my trades, all of my leverage trades, go down in the video description below where you find the free link to my Telegram group and also how to get access to my free Signal group. And we have been reckoning some major profits because yes, we're in this Casper trade and we're going to hold it all the way up to the previous all-time high. And yes, this is going to be a 750% move. And yes, our stop loss is already in profit. So yes, this is a winning trade. Even if the price movement of Casper could expect a major volatile move all the way back down, but I don't expect that Casper is going to retrace. Yes, maybe we're going to see a small consolidation, but overall I do expect that this is going to be the bottom and we're going to come all the way back up, all the way to our all-time high. We also opened a trade on Solana and we're in some major profits. Yes, I do expect a small consolidation before we're going to see the next move for Bitcoin and also Solana. So if you want to be profitable during this bull market, guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group because ultimately, guys, we could expect that Bitcoin is going to see a small consolidation with a support at the previous all-time high, which is exactly at the 73,000 US dollars, and we could expect a continuation all the way to the 80,000 US dollars because yes, guys, this is the beginning of this next major parabolic stage and you're exactly here. Exactly before this major run towards the upside where all these small investors, all this major hype and also FOMO, fear of missing out, is going to push the price movement of the entire crypto market to the oblivion. And yes, guys, we could expect that some of these coins are going to make an easy 10x. But before we're going to look at these altcoins, let's go on the even lower time frames on the 15-minute chart of Bitcoin. Because yes, exactly at this moment where it was clear that Donald Trump is going to win the election, we saw this major pump towards the upside and we broke the previous all-time high. We had a major swing towards the upside, a small consolidation, forming a new all-time high, and now we're seeing this retracement. But a retracement is extremely healthy for the markets because we want to see that the price movement of any type of asset goes up in stairs, that we're going to see a pump, a consolidation, before we're going to see the continuation, and normally we could expect that we're going to see a retracement to the important Fibonacci retracement levels. We're going to take the fibs all the way from the previous swing low all the way to the swing high, and then we can see that Bitcoin perfectly came all the way to a new all-time high. We had this major retracement all the way back to the 38.2 where we found previous support, and yes, normally we tend to retrace to the 38.2 or even the 23.6 in an extreme bullish move. This is going to be our retracement levels, but yes, we could also expect a retracement all the way back down to the 61.8 to once again check out all of these weak hands that maybe bought the top exactly here, thinking that the price movement of Bitcoin goes even lower. They're once again going to sell in a loss and the price movement is going to turn around, because yes, the market always wins and you have to be smarter than the overall crypto market. Yes, a lot of people were calling for a major dump exactly here, and what did I tell you? Yes, that this move towards upside paired with the US election is going to catch a lot of people off guard, and exactly that happened, because overall guys, we could expect this consolidation in this perfect symmetrical triangle, and if we're going to break this trend towards upside, we could expect that Bitcoin is once again going to form a new all-time high and come all the way up to the levels of 80,000 US dollars. Yes guys, and this is going to drag all of these small coins towards the upside, and we're going to look at all of these coins because yes, in previous videos we've looked at Nakamoto games and I gave you this entry exactly here. Yes, the price movement saw a major push after my video upload and we were up 91%, and then we saw this correction all the way back down. Yes, from the top it was a dump of 42%, but what did I tell you? This is going to be your second chance to enter exactly here before we're going to see this major pump towards the upside. And yes guys, Nakamoto could expect a major run within this bull cycle, and we also looked at Injective. Yes, Injective is ready to see a major breakout towards the upside. If we're going to break this trend line, yes, we're already up in profit from my call exactly here. But yes, we can see that Bitcoin is already at a new all-time high and all of these coins are extremely lagging behind. So yes, just all the way from these levels all the way to the previous high, this is going to be a pump of 150%. And yes, after that, we're going to be in price discovery mode and we could easily expect a 10x from Injective or even coins like Solana. Yes, I do expect that the price target for Solana all the way at the levels of $2,000 or even $3,000 is going to be a possibility within this bull cycle guys, because ultimately you're just at the beginning of a major parabolic run towards the upside. And yes, we've looked at coins like Jupiter, and yes, Jupiter is still in our entry zone, and with all this hype on the Solana network and with the meme coins, I could expect that Jupiter, being a decentralized exchange, could expect the easy pump all the way to the $10 level. Yes, this is going to be a 10x, but if you want to have a 10x in the immediate short term and buy meme coin under $1 million market cap, guys, you need to watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and be subscribed, because yes, we're going to look at two more coins and then I'm going to show you the meme coin that you should be accumulating exactly now. And don't tell me that I didn't warn you, because this is really going to see a major push towards the upside. So yes, the next coin that you should hold in your portfolio is going to be Ray. Yes, Radium is also a decentralized exchange on the Solana network, and I do expect that we're going to at least come all the way to the levels of the 4.618 Fibonacci retracement level as the end of the bull market target, and this is going to be a move of yes 1800%, which is going to be extremely easy for a coin like Radium on the Solana network with this major meme coin hype. And the next coin guys that you definitely should be holding is Stacks. And why am I extremely bullish on Stacks? Yes, Stacks is building on the Bitcoin network and we can see that it's lagging behind, because the previous all-time high in March 2024 was reached when Bitcoin reached its previous all-time high that we broke today. But yes, we can see that Stacks is still lagging behind. So yes, Stacks has to get this major move just to the previous all-time high, and this is going to be a move from the current price movement all the way to the previous all-time high of 130%. And yes guys, we could expect that Stacks is going to mimic the price movement of Bitcoin during this bull run, because in the previous bull run, exactly from the point where we are at the moment, from November or even December 2020, we saw this major pump of 1,500%. Yes, maybe we're not going to make a 1,500% move, but guys, I do expect that Stacks is going to at least come all the way to the $20 level, which is going to be a move of 1,100%. And yes guys, now we're going to look at the meme coin that you should be accumulating at the moment. And I also shared this coin in my free Telegram group a few weeks ago and also today, because yes, we're forming a perfect bottom, and the coin we're going to talk about is Fluffy on the Solana network. And the very interesting part is that it's priced in waffles. So if you don't know what the waffles meme coin is, guys, you need to do some research. And yes, I'm going to do a dedicated video on Fluffy. But if you want to invest into a meme coin with strong fundamental values, you need to fluff up your wallet with Fluffy, because yes guys, we're still under $1 million market cap, and we could expect this major pump towards the upside if this coin is really going to get traction. And yes guys, if you want to find out more about Fluffy, do your own research and find out what is the waffles token and why we could expect this major pump towards the upside, because you're still extremely early. Don't tell me that I didn't tell you to buy Fluffy exactly in these levels, under $1 million market cap. So yes guys, we could expect this major bull run, and you're still extremely early, because all of these coins are going to get a major pump towards the upside. And on the weekly chart, we can see that all of these coins are still at a major discount. Nakamoto, AR, IMX, because only in one day we saw this major move towards the upside. And in the immediate short term, we could expect that Bitcoin is going to break out from the symmetrical triangle and see a major move towards the upside. Because if we're going to look at the measured move, if we're going to break out from the symmetrical triangle, the next major target is going to be the $77,000. And if you want to trade this move, this is a simple trade with a stop loss being under the previous low. Yes guys, this is a trade for absolutely free that you can open exactly now. And if you want to copy all of my trades, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, where you'll find all the information how to copy all of these trades and be extremely profitable during this next bull market. So yes guys, make sure to be for crypto, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we see each other in the next video.